Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack Fernley, freelance videographer, photographer and video editor. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other videos. How to record a voiceover into Adobe Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple. Now all you've got to do is hit one button and then you're ready to go. All you need is a microphone and Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump straight in and I'll show you how to do it. So once you're in Adobe Premiere Pro, we're going to have your timeline open, and what you want to do is pay attention to these bottom, the audio tracks, and depending on which one you want to do your audio on, like as you can see I'm editing my short film, I've got multiple audio tracks. I've got my main one, then I've got like my sound effects one, I've got my background music and that sort of stuff. So whichever one you want to do your voiceover on is the one you're going to select. So over here on the left you see these little microphones, and that's how you're going to record your voiceover. So as you click that, Premiere Pro will count down 3, 2, 1 and it'll start to play thing, and as you can see the arrow is moving ahead, and if we hit stop it's going to generate that audio file or whatever it is, and then you can mess around with it, edit it, do whatever you want to do. So that's pretty simple. All you need is a microphone in Adobe Premiere Pro, and you just hit this little voiceover record button. It's a little microphone, and the Premiere Pro is going to count down, and then you're going to say whatever you want to say. But one thing to bear in mind is that this is in real time, so whatever you say will be on that video at that correct time. So if you don't know what you're talking about, I would suggest doing it in Audacity and then editing it out and then recalibrating it for Adobe Premiere Pro. But this is just a quick little method. If you don't have the time or you don't want the hassle, this is a quick solution to do that. Apart from that, that's how to do a voice recording in Adobe Premiere Pro. Anyway guys, if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other videos. If you want to learn the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro, check that video up there. It goes over all the basics, how to import your footage, how to edit it and how to export your first video. So apart from that, I'll see you on the next video.